All right, so let's take a look at basic footwork. And let's start with the push slide, which is how we move forward and how we move backwards. So when I'm in my ready stance position here, in order to move forward, I'm just going to push off the back leg and let it drag to catch up. When I want to retreat, I just push off the front and let it drag to catch up. So if I'm turned here, a little different angle, I'm going to push with the back leg, let the leg drag, or push with the front and let it drag. The key is to always end up in the same stance that I started in. So if this is my ready stance, this is how I like my feet to be, my position, then when I push slide forward, I want to end up in that same stance. And when I push slide back, I want to end up in that same stance. I want to avoid leaving a leg behind and ending up too wide. And I also want to avoid dragging that leg too much forward and ending up too close together. You want to try to always maintain the same athletic stance that you like to move from. So if I'm here, forward, back, and always staying in that same ready stance. The other type of footwork that's going to be really important is the ability to circle in order to keep somebody in front of you, as well as to be able to turn an angle on your opponent. So in order to circle right and left, I'm going to step with my back leg. It's my back leg that does the step here. Front leg just kind of picks up and pivots a little bit. Both directions. Either direction that I go, it's the back leg that's doing the stepping, and the front leg is just sort of picking up and pivoting. So a good drill to do to help you with your footwork is to do what they call quarter turns. So what you're going to do is be in your ready stance and then drop step your back leg and turn 90 degrees. Here. Here. And then do the same thing going the other direction. Here. This way. So that's our basic footwork. Push slide forward, push slide back, turn right, turn left, and also be able to turn 90 degrees right and left. So that gives you something to practice. Once those feel comfortable, you can start putting them together so that you could go forward with a push slide and then quickly turn 90 degrees. Or that you could be moving around in a circle and then retreat or attack forward even while you're circling right and left.